Welcome back to Mega Technology. Today we're showcasing some incredible tools that take firewood splitting to a whole new level. Let's see these innovations in action. How about giving shrubs the perfect shape? The Buxus trimming machine handles shrubs up to 25 inches in diameter, creating smooth, rounded contours in seconds. It's true magic for garden art. Groeneveld is a surgeon in the world of stumps, armed with powerful shears. It cuts tree trunks flush with the ground, turning the remnants into neat sawdust. Its compactness and ease of operation make it the perfect tool for gardeners and foresters where speed and precision are crucial. The Kurovet's K-Series is a true powerhouse that knows no compromises. Equipped with a powerful cable, or rather a towing device, it easily uproots trees like a hero in an epic battle. When raw power and reliability are needed, it has no equal. Here's a mulcher that turns excavators into universal clearing machines. Its sharp serrated blade effortlessly shreds branches, bushes, and trees, leaving behind a neat layer of mulch. This Dina-Cymaf attachment handles even the densest vegetation with ease. Believe it, the stump remover will make even the most stubborn roots surrender. The machine's hydraulic grab pulls stumps out entirely, leaving the ground clean and ready for new plantings. Its convincing power and reliability make it indispensable in agriculture and forestry. Here's another self-propelled monster that leaves perfectly cleared land in its wake. Tearing into the soil with its teeth, this mulcher easily handles dense thickets and trees. Massive power, maneuverability, and reliability make it the true king of clearing large areas. Imagine the roar of a chainsaw as a tree braces for its final moments. One precise cut, and the massive trunk falls, opening the ground for new ideas. Everything depends on the operator's skill and the tool's power, and the spectacle is mesmerizing in its force. The Rotor Hydro is an auger that turns stumps into sawdust as if it were never there. With a hydraulic system and a powerful drill, it penetrates deep into the ground, shredding roots into small pieces. Convenient, precise, and efficient, it solves the stump problem in no time. The Canadian Forests and Old Smoky Jerk, aka the 1987 Peterbilt Classic, are like a hat and maple syrup, a perfect pair. This tech-savvy beauty operates in the dense thickets of Vassar, hauling timber like a true road veteran. By the way, thanks to whoever gave it the nickname, it smokes like a legend. As winter slowly retreats, the T40 finishes its mission. Logging is in full swing, and the machine confidently hauls dozens of trunks. The ground still holds the frost, making this the perfect time to work with maximum efficiency. The self-loading timber truck with a manipulator turns hard work into a spectacle. Its boom deftly lifts logs and carefully places them on the platform. Minimal effort, maximum profit. Military bulldozers of Case turn stump removal into an easy task. Strength, endurance, and impeccable off-road capability. The ideal recipe for overcoming natural obstacles. The legendary Tim's Peterbilt, powered by a 600 horsepower Cummins engine, confidently hauls timber through narrow back roads. The roar of the engine and the driver's skill make this truck a true hero of the road. Say what you will, but this powerful machine with a box wedge splitter makes wood splitting as effortless as swinging an axe. Reliability, power, and practicality turn any logs into perfectly even firewood. Now, here's a machine that pulls stumps out as if plucking a carrot from the soil. Powerful grabs secure the tree while hydraulics extract it, roots and all. Quick, clean, and complete. A solution for those who value order. Imagine a stump disappearing, turning into light smoke and warmth. Burning is a simple yet highly effective way to clear a site. The fire does the work for you, leaving behind nothing but smooth, clean land. The stump grinder grinds stumps with relentless precision. Its abrasive discs reduce wood to dust, leaving only a smooth surface behind. This compact yet powerful tool is perfect for the toughest tasks. In this video, the machine is just beginning its work. With a farm jack, even a stump is doomed. A clever use of the lever, a chain around the root, and the stump is pulled out of the ground with its root ball intact. A simple tool for a tough task, turning stump removal into an enjoyable ritual. An unwanted stump? That's yesterday's problem. Modern equipment with powerful hydraulic grabs removes stumps with roots in mere minutes. Convenient, fast, and without a trace. The chainsaw operator employs techniques that even professionals would envy. A special cutting angle, a couple of precise movements, and the tree falls exactly where it's needed. Easy, safe, and impressive. This track giant with a mulcher is vegetation's #1 enemy. It swiftly clears bushes and trees, leaving a smooth surface behind. An ideal choice for clearing territories, fast, powerful, and awe-inspiring. Firewood production on a new level. A drum saw with a conveyor belt doesn't just cut, but does so with maximum efficiency. Smooth movements, a continuous flow, and voila! The firewood is ready. Think it's impossible? Think again. When an excavator becomes a powerful splitter and a cone splitter does its job, splitting wood turns into a true operation. The excavator's power combined with the splitter's precision makes the process incredibly effective and fast. Old dry trees, no problem. With a skidder and an excavator, they disappear from the site in mere minutes. Convenient equipment and powerful mechanisms make the work as easy and quick as possible. When it comes to cutting medium-sized trees, the Torque Saw by Doherty Forestry finds its perfect application. This attachment doesn't just cut, it confidently and precisely powers through trees, turning a labor-intensive process into a quick and easy task. This tracked monster with a turbo mulcher works like a true star of the forestry industry. It not only cuts down trees, but also turns them into wood chips within seconds. Power and precision, everything you need for land clearing. A stubborn fence post that won't budge? No problem. Wrap a chain with a hook around it and use a pulling tool, and the result is yours in just 4 minutes. Minimal effort, no holes, and no digging required. How to fell a tree with a giant trunk? The secret lies in cutting technique and a chainsaw. A special method allows you to easily handle a tree with a diameter over 1.5 meters, safely and quickly.